misconceptions about chiropractic are that adjustments hurt. No, they do not. Like almost all the time, they do not. And if it does, then that means that something isn't quite right, that maybe it's not the right place to be adjusting or the right way. Maybe there's too much force that the practitioner is applying. But no, adjustments are actually very relieving. That popping sound. Oh, another misconception might be that the popping sound is a bone breaking. It is not. It's actually just gas releasing from a joint.